bipartite graph is a special type of graph. It has two sets of things, which we call parts. No two things within the same part are connected. Connections or edges only exist between things in different parts. Imagine a dance floor with boys on one side and girls on the other. If we draw lines only between boys and girls who want to dance together, we get a bipartite graph. The boys form one part and the girls form the other. This concept of two distinct sets simplifies many problems. Instead of a jumble of connections, we have organized pairings. This makes it easier to see patterns and make decisions. Think of it like sorting your toys. You might have one box for cars and another for stuffed animals. You wouldn't put a car in the stuffed animal box, right? Bipartite graphs work similarly, keeping things organized and clear. Let's say we have 4 friends, Alex, Ben, Chloe, and David. They each enjoy different hobbies: painting, reading, soccer, and video games. Can we match each friend to their favorite hobby? We can use a bipartite graph to solve this. One part of the graph represents the friends. The other part represents the hobbies. We draw a line between a friend and a hobby if that friend enjoys that hobby. For example, if Alex enjoys painting and soccer, we draw lines connecting Alex to painting and Alex to soccer. We do this for each friend and their hobbies. Now the graph clearly shows which friend might be best suited to which hobby. This visual representation makes the matching process straightforward. We can easily see who enjoys what and make appropriate pairings. This is just one example of how bipartite graphs can simplify matching problems. They can be used to match students with courses, employees with tasks, or even ingredients with recipes. The possibilities are endless. Graphs are great visual tools, but sometimes we need a more compact way to represent them. This is where matrices come in. A matrix is a grid of numbers. It can represent the connections in a bipartite graph. Let's go back to our friends and hobbies example. We can create a matrix where the rows represent the friends and the columns represent the hobbies. If a friend enjoys a certain hobby, we put a 1 in the corresponding cell. If not, we put a 0. This matrix is a numerical representation of our bipartite graph. It contains all the information about who enjoys what. Matrices are useful for computer programs. They allow us to analyze and manipulate graphs using mathematical operations. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for solving complex problems. Section 4: Graphs in action. Bipartite graphs and their matrix representations are not just theoretical concepts. They have real-world applications in various fields. Consider a hospital that needs to assign doctors to patients based on their specialization. A bipartite graph can represent doctors and patients as two sets, with connections indicating the appropriate matches. Similarly, in transportation, bipartite graphs can optimize the allocation of buses to routes, minimizing travel time and maximizing efficiency. In computer science, bipartite graphs are used in network design, social network analysis, and search engine algorithms. Their ability to simplify complex relationships makes them invaluable tools for understanding and solving real-world problems. Section 5. Simplicity in 2 colors. Bipartite graphs offer a simple yet powerful way to understand and solve problems involving 2 distinct sets of things. Their visual clarity and ease of representation using matrices make them versatile tools for various applications. Whether it's matching friends with hobbies or optimizing complex systems, bipartite graphs Till next time, keep wondering, keep learning.
Want to rise to your full potential in your studies and revise like a boss? You can trust Study Guide today to have you covered. Subscribe to this channel and see our website linked in the description of this video to see revision articles to maximize your study gains.